Zoho just released a brand new product to the world. It's called Zoho DAP, Digital Adoption Platform. The reason we're covering it now while it's brand new is because we believe this product has the potential to change how businesses train their employees across any software. Later in this video, I'm going to take you through inside the product itself and walk you through exactly what it looks like and what you can do with it. But before we get there, you need to understand the problem this product is trying to solve. Because if you don't understand the problem, you won't appreciate why the product even matters. Just to give you some context, our company has been teaching businesses on how to use the Zoho ecosystem for about 13 years. We had hundreds of training sessions across every industry, every size of company, every role. And in those 13 years, we identified a pattern that we believe is unfixable because it isn't a training problem, it's a human nature problem. In every training session we ran, there's a small group of people in the room who are engaged, they see the potential, they ask great questions, they're going to take what we teach them and put it into action. And then there's the majority. The majority of the team isn't interested in learning a new system. They will show up because they have to. They will sit through the session. They will treat it more like entertainment than education. They will laugh, they will nod, and they will walk out having observed probably nothing. This isn't a criticism of those employees. It isn't a criticism of the people who are running the training. It's how people behave when they don't have a buy-in, when they don't have a good why of why learning the system. And over 13 years, we've tried probably about everything you can think of to fix it. We tried bringing the CEO to sit in the room while the session takes place, thinking that the boss, if he's sitting there, the team will take it more seriously. We tried mandatory assignment, we tried quizzes, we tried to force people to engage with the material. We tried to do follow-up sessions, refreshers. We tried to do role-specific tasks, gamification, probably everything you can think of. And then we did something that really opened my eyes. When employees submitted their quizzes, we started cross-checking the submission against the Zoho system logs to see if those employees had actually logged into the platform and practiced what they learned from the quizzes. Now, the majority of them didn't even log to the system, not even one time. They just copied from one to another. Now, this is when we understood that this is not a content problem, it isn't a delivery problem, it isn't a quiz problem, it's a human problem. And no amount of better training material, better assignment, or better follow-up is going to solve it. And there's one more problem on top of all this, and this is one that every business owner watching will recognize: new employees. Every training session we deliver is a moment in time. The day we ran it, the people who are in the company at the same day, but businesses are not standing still. A month from now, 3, 6 months, 9 months from now, the company hires new people. And those new hires missed the original training session. So those new employees will usually receive the training from a senior employee, or will watch some videos, or are going to read some documents. But bottom line, it's on them to figure out how to use the system, which we both know how it ends. So now we have two problems that we never been able to fully solve: the human nature problem and the new hire problem. These are the problems DAP is solving. Now, here's how it works. DAP sits inside Zoho, and through a Chrome extension, it can also sit inside other web applications that are not even Zoho. The idea is simple. Instead of teaching people how to use a system before they start using it, DAP teaching them while they are using it. Let me walk you through what the product can actually do, and I'll show you each capability on screen as we go. The first capability is what Zoho calls walkthrough. This is an in-app flow that guides the user step by step through the business process inside the actual Zoho screen they are working on. Imagine an employee creates a new deal. Instead of trying to remember the training session from 3 months ago, the system itself walks them through it. Click here, fill this field, move this area to this stage. The user doesn't need to remember the process. The system shows them as they go. The second capability is interactive videos. These are pre-recorded process demonstrations that allows employees to practice a workflow before using it in the live system. So before a new salesperson even touches a real customer record, they can rehearse the entire flow, opening a lead, qualifying it, converting it, creating a deal in a controlled environment, such as a sandbox. The third capability is the web banner. This is a notification that appears inside the application, let's say Zoho CRM, and when you push out a change to your team, a new field, a new automation, a new stage in the blueprint, you can attach a banner to it. The next time the employee logs into the system, they see the message. They get the explanation right there inside the system, not in an email or some kind of a notification after the fact. The fourth capability is a guide. Think of it as a step-by-step reference an employee can pull up on demand. A salesperson who hasn't quoted a product for, let's say, 3 months and forgot how to do it doesn't need to call you, doesn't need to message you, doesn't need to interrupt anyone. They open the guide, they follow the steps, they get the job done. The fifth capability is the Help Hub. This is an in-app widget that appears inside each module, such as CRM Deals module, and displays content specifically relevant to that module. When an employee is in the Leads module, for example, the Help Hub shows them guidance on how to use the lead system. When they switch to the deals, the content changes. They don't have to search through the documentation. They don't have to ask anyone. The guide is there for them. Now, think about what all of this does to the training conversation. Today, when our company trains a team on Zoho CRM, for example, we're teaching them an enormous amount of information. How leads work, how deals work, how to use the product that we created, how to do the follow-ups, how to use the blueprints, how to use the reports, hours and hours of content. And we already know, because we watched it happen hundreds of times, that most of the team will forget the majority of it within few weeks. Now with DAP, the training shifts entirely. The conversation isn't how to use Zoho CRM anymore. The conversation becomes how to use DAP inside Zoho CRM. That's a completely different scope. You're no longer teaching the old system, you're teaching a skill of how to access the guidance that we created in advance. The disengaged employee, the one who is going to forget the CRM training anyway, the one who was copying quizzes from a coworker, only needs to remember one thing. If I don't know what to do, I click here. When the system asks me something, I click here and it will show me. That's a much simpler ask than learning an entire system. Because DAP doesn't care when the employee joined. The guidance is built into the system itself. Whether somebody starts on day one of the project or 2 years later, they get the same exact in-app guidance in the same exact way at the exact same level and quality. The training isn't a moment in time anymore, it's all the time in the system embedded to the product. Now, there is something important you need to know about DAP and where it stands today. Our company is working with the product right now. It still has bugs, the user experience is not fully polished, some features behave not in a great way. But if you signed up today expecting a finished enterprise-grade product, you're probably going to be frustrated. Now, everything I just told you is completely relevant. I've personally been in the CRM ecosystem for many years, and I can tell you that when Zoho creates products, they are improving them over time to perfection, such as Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, Zoho Sign, Zoho Flow, and many more products. So this product is also going to be ready for prime time in a few months. So it's great to start now when it's fresh and learn and know how to use the system and also understand how to utilize it the moment that it will be ready for prime time. Our recommendation is straightforward. Contact your Zoho partner and have a good conversation about DAP. Talk to them about how it might fit into your specific business, your processes, and your team. And the partner will tell you where DAP stands at the same moment and also how to integrate it with your products. The bottom line is this product solves a problem that is rooted in humans and not only a problem that is related to training. So thank you very much for watching this session. Obviously, if you have any questions about DAP and so on, ask us or put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching this session. I will see you in the next one.